Alright, today we're taking a look at a Glock 19 and a few of the magazines it will accept. Here's a California legal 10 round. That'd be a single stack. It's a 15. It's a standard Glock 19 mag. That's a 15 plus 2 with a plus 2 extension there. So that's 17. Also a standard Glock 19 mag. This is a 17 round mag with a plus 2 extension. That's a Glock 17 mag. And here's a 30 rounder. You can also get the extensions and put them on here, but I just keep it as 30. They all fit in the Glock, no problem. It gives you a nice little assortment. Go ahead and pop a couple in here so you can see. That's a 17. Sticks out just a little bit. Not too bad. Standard. That's a standard with extension. And there's the 30. One nice thing about the Glock is even if the mag does stick out, they don't look that bad. Most metal magazines look pretty gaudy hanging out of the bottom of a gun. But yeah, there you go, just a quick look. Thanks for checking it out. Favorite, subscribe, thumbs up.